Now when you're doing this, you should be building the temperature very, very patiently and evenly. There's no rush. You know, so what you want to do is watch the metal so it's nice and clean. Then we're going to watch it oxidize, and that's how we know that the temperature is building. That it goes from that clean silver to that oxidized color, and then you'll start to see that red heat coming into it. And obviously we're going to go higher than our annealing temperature because we're heading towards the silicon effect. You keep doing it again, I just want to shift this into it. Okay, so you guys can all see that's getting nice and hot. You can see the red heat in it. Now when you're looking at this, you can see that, relatively speaking, all three pieces of metal are the same temperature. Because remember, if something gets too hot, then the solid is just going to go that way. I don't know if you can see that, but you can see that the solid is beginning to get almost like a little shiny. And that indicates that it's getting ready. But again, we're going to patiently build that temperature. Now you can see this is lovely and hot. We're just going to keep going a little bit more. I'm just going to wait for it to puddle a little bit. Just going to happen any moment. Okay. And now come around and dip in there. Can you see your solder flowing? Okay. Now get right into the gap in there. That's it. Okay.
Nice.
Beautiful. Okay. Now lift your torch up again and come inside. Now don't go into it, just pull back a little bit like that. Smashing! Now, have a look here, right? You can see as the temperature decreases, look at that big line of solder everywhere. That's smashing. That's really, really good. Then you just check the inside, and you know, if you've got the solder pick in your hand, while this is still hot, you can peel back any flux and stuff like that, and you can have a look. But if you guys can see in there, you can see like this.